Alright guys, so I wanted to start off today with how I'm running my electrical. So I have the SUS 270 alternator. I've got the big 3 running to a 31 and to a group 34. Guys, that thing's a little bit of a beast, I'm not even going to lie. So I'm running a 250 amp fuse to piggyback to that. So the voltage has been running really good. I'm running it just on the factory ECM. I do plan on, when I get my next alternator, which is going to be a 425 amp by brand X, I do have my external voltage regulator. We have set that at 14.6 volts. I do plan on getting that at the end of January. So if you guys want to leave a comment about some other wiring I can do or some other songs that you guys want to listen to, I'd be more than happy to play them. We do have some other stuff coming up that we're going to try to get done to the truck. Not necessarily audio related, but it is going to upgrade the truck a little bit, make it look nicer. And that's going to be upgraded too to a 65 group. So that's going to be that's probably going to be put in the cab of the truck just as a third battery, really. So a little bit of an update too that I've done with my speakers. I've put up in the dash here on the inside, I've put the Scar 3.5 super tweeters, and unfortunately I did have to go with a cheaper amp, which is just a Hyphonics 600.4. It's under there. I mean, it makes it sound nice and all, but probably upgrade that to a DC audio eventually once I get all my subs and stuff in. This is going to be going bye-bye here soon. We're going to take all this out, make a center console for the subs. Other than that, guys, leave comments, like, share, and we will see you here in a couple weeks. Thanks.